my apologies to break your thoughts or flow of thoughts. They say politics is a dirty game. Do you think we have played it too dirty as a nation?
Well, me, I don't believe that personally, I don't believe that this thing, politics is a dirty game, is something. It depends on the players. If the players want to make it clean, they will make it clean. Because the players are the ones who play the politics. The politics is just an idea. So I think that we are not playing politics for the betterment of our people in this country. And if it is in that respect that we are talking about dirtiness, then I think that is correct. Because we have to have issues on which we all agree. And the insecurity in this country should be one of those issues. Yes, we're talking. You were talking about Abaribe was talking about an absent president, and I share with him that we have a president who is absent, even though we have a presidency that is present. Because all we hear now is about the presidency, and two people continue to act on the president's behalf. In fact, the presidency has now been reduced into attacking individuals. Mbaka speaks what they don't like, they attack him from the presidency. I think Nigerians, we need to stand up and demand that they should respect the presidency, because the president will go, another president will come, but the presidency will always remain. So,
that's a good place to leave it. We'll come back with checking with you very quickly. We are pressed for time. Oba, I think we're going to respond just before.
I just want to talk about.
Oba was supposed to respond just briefly before we went to Emmanuel.
Yes, I was going to say that the issue of security is not a matter of politics. It has nothing to do with politics. All hands must be on deck right now, and we have to, look beyond our partisan divide and try to fight this thing headlong. Look, the criminals are taking advantage of statements like this. The criminals also watch TV, they read newspapers, they are connected to the internet, they get report of development like this. When people who are supposed to be elderly, people who are supposed to, be ahead of us in terms of wisdom, and what have you, are having this discussion in the hallowed chamber, then something is practically wrong with the soul of Nigeria. I think in a serious nation, by now, you will have been hearing of series of recall processes by the electorate. Because those people that are representing you are not seeing what you are seeing. They are seeing things through the prism of politics. They are seeing things through the eyes of politics. They are not feeling what the common man on the street. Look, Emmanuel said something about those abducted children the other time, that most of their parents, or majority of them, could not even afford to pay school fees. These are the poorest of the poor.
In reality.
And people are representing you, are having discussions like this, trying to defend a president that is absent.
Sorry, I wanted to add to what you just said, just briefly, regarding whether politics is dirty. You see, my understanding is that some of the politicians are they are dirty because of the crops of leaders we have in them. Yes. And again, the system itself is dirty because of the crops of leaders who are supposed to make it work, that they are refusing to make it work. That is it.
Yes. Is it the system or the people?
The people, the leader, the political leaders, some of them.
The system.
Yes, the people in the system. Now, hold on, let me quickly say this. The day the system will work sustainably is when we remove those huge amounts in politics. We remove them, then the system will naturally work, because we have the best ones to work for us, not those who see politics as business.
All right, so a few reaction here. Bolumade from Burning Kebbi says Governor El-Rufai's insistence on refusing to pay ransom to kidnappers is understandable, as this is part of measures that discouraging the activities. But in a society where government is incapable of providing security for the citizenry, such insistence would come to naught and would only make the criminals more daring in their activities, as we had seen in the killings of 3 of the kidnapped students of the Kaduna Private University. Well, thank you so much, Bolumade, for your thoughts. I think we do have more reactions here. This one, Doyin from Lagos, says, good afternoon. It's quite unfortunate that our elected leaders will be playing politics with the security of lives and properties.
So sad.
It is not debatable that this government has failed security-wise. Any government that fails to guarantee the security of lives and properties has failed in all. It says, Mr. President should rise to the occasion now before Nigeria completely degenerate to absolute state of anarchy. Doyin, thank you so much for your thoughts. This is, I think, from Anyari Rita. She says, Good day. What is happening in this country is getting out of hand. The president needs to do something about it very fast.